Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to clean off a vinyl record. In this case we have a 45 here, and as you can see there's some dirt and everything on it. Now this doesn't apply to the labeling because that's like paper and you pretty much can't get it off of paper, but we're gonna get this nice and running. So what you want to do here is I have a baby wipe. Any type of baby wipe will work, but I am using these baby wipes, or washcloths as they're called, but baby wipes will work. You just want to rub across like that. As you can see, it's already starting to come off, just like that. And I'm going to now go across the whole record. Okay, and as you can see, it's now clean and ready to use. I also use this on a Disneyland vinyl record, 45. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in another one.